Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. We are going with OGN price targets and thank you for watching. Let's proceed quickly. So right here on the daily frame for OGN, what do we have? We are pumping today because OGN is outperforming Bitcoin and therefore we had a nice push of around plus 7% until now. I think that this whole right here schematic is a bull flag and we broke above a very huge top trend line. This one right here, you can check it out from 20 March towards the 14 April. This is a long bull flag starting on and coming on until we just broke above, and now we are probably ready to go to above 0.80 and above 0.90. But here on Mind Your Crypto, we take things step by step, right? We do not go into the one, for example, USDT now. We are taking this step by step so we can be secure and we can secure our profits and we can minimize the risk, right? So therefore, this is what I'm going to do today with you. And of course, let's go back to the 4-hour frame as well to see a little bit of the price analysis and the risk metrics. Right now, it looks like the 4-hour frame, we can grow potentially even more. We have the what it takes to have a nice uptrend right here, but we have to break, of course, some targets on the very short term. I'm talking about the next few hours. So potentially what we have to do is to close above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which will be the 0.67. If we do not, probably we are going a little bit further down before we go higher, and the most important target for the very short term is the 0.70. Okay, I'm going to show you though the next price targets. Where are we going to go? And before we do that, I want to go to OGN against Bitcoin chart. We are going to see the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour frame. Right now, we are on the weekly frame, and what are we seeing is that we hold for now the 50-day EMA as a support level. This is good. Potentially we could be actually in a very nice uptrend for OGN, which could lead the above 70 RSI. This would be magnificent, this would be great. However, for the commodity channel index, we do not have a crazy overbought situation yet, but we want to see it going above the 100 as well. Stochastic RSI is okay, mediocre, not in an overbought, not in an oversold. So we are holding good, we are holding pretty fine. And of course, let's go to the daily frame as well. So on the daily frame, what do we have is if we draw the fib from the top to the bottom, you can see that we stopped on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. I think that we can easily go even higher and approach the 0.401859 for OGN against Bitcoin chart. Those who trade in sats or those who want to increase their BTC, I think that this is a good time just to go into the targets. Nothing of these are financial advices, that's a personal humble opinion. You can see the OGN against Bitcoin chart as well. If I draw on the 4-hour frame the fib from the top to the bottom, different Fibonacci because we are in a lower time frame, and therefore I want to see the short term. That's why I'm making a Fibonacci close to each other. You can see the price target right here was close to the bottom right there. Want to see for the short term, that's why I'm using it. So we are having the 0.382, 0.416, right? And we have the 0.41637. We need to close above to make it to the next price target, and then we need to close above the 0.5 to make it to the 0.401679. So simple, so nice for OGN against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame, because on the daily frame we are looking good, we are standing good, we are holding the support level of the highs we had back on to 9 April and down to 30 March. You can see that, and therefore we want to go even higher from now on for OGN against Bitcoin and for OGN against USDT, which we will be seeing right now the price targets for OGN. And what we have is the 0.70 is the most important in the short term. Closing above the 0.70 will get us all the way to the 0.7497. However, if we go to the daily frame, we have some different targets in which I want you to pay attention to. First of all, if we draw the fib from the top to the bottom right here back on 12 April, you can see that we have the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement as a major resistance level, and we are going to go probably towards the 0.76, and then after we are going to 0.95 and maybe to 1 USDT. But what we need to do, as we talk about in the Mind Your Crypto channel, we need to close above the 0.70. I am very confident that we can maybe do that. Okay, we need to close above the 0.70 and we will be going to the 0.76, in which there we are going to see if eventually we have a nice push above the 0.76, which could lead to 0.95. Okay, so yes, we need to close above the 0.70 to go to the 0.77.95 USDT. And of course, we have to take it step by step. That's why I told you that we need to follow every single detail in order to succeed, and we have to be patient. Okay, so 0.70, 0.76, right? 0.76 to 0.77 and the 0.95, 1 USDT. But we have to close above every single target in order to get to the next one. It is better to close above on the daily frame, right? You minimize the risk and you go to the next price targets. If you want for quick profits, quick trades, then you can draw this Fibonacci retracement that we had back here. And you can see that if we just go above the 0.5, we go to 0.68 and we go to 0.70. Depends on what actually trader are you? Are you short-term trader? Are you short to mid-term? Maybe during 1 week you want to trade, maybe more than 1 week. Maybe you feel more confident trading for more than 1 month. It depends on you, right? It depends on what you find the most suitable situation for yourself. If you are a person that is getting huge anxiety with crypto, then I advise you to just hold. If you are a person that can handle the pressure and you can be patient enough, then I can suggest you to go into more short-term trades as well. And of course, the allocation should be mid-term and long-term portfolio, and of course, one for short-term until 7 weeks, 7 days. Sorry, not 7 weeks. This is not short-term at all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.